just done that load in that field. Corners in here. So I'll get in and show you. I will go down a bit, but obviously I'll walk in the tram lines. So here you can see is where the tyre marks are. And I'll go in a little bit deeper. It's already pretty high. And this will be ready between, well, next month we'll start, maybe around 14th, so you'll see a video on that. And this is the corn. So it's getting there and it's done quite good this year. And I'm going to go right over there is where the kale is, and I'll show you the cow strip grazing. See it running. I was lucky to get that on video. We're now at the kale. Water tanks here for the cows. The cows are enjoying it. They've eaten right up to the line. And I'll go down this bit and show you. See here how well they have grown. See how high it is. Here's some cows eating some kale. Oh, bite my hand off. We've now got this trough up here, and I didn't film it since it was very difficult to move, but we're going to attach it now. So this is up by the tank. I'm going to cut this and then join the trough with this. Coming out, so when it reaches the top it will push the ball up and then it will stop the water from coming out anymore, and then once it's gone down, been drank, the ball will go back down and let more in. Shed update, so they're now putting net underneath all the roof in case someone falls. It's for safety, and they've started putting that roof up over there on the little shed, and they'll carry on doing this whole shed. So that is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and there will be more updates soon on the shed, but videos will be delayed after this since we won't be here for a week. But I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.